But just 5 years ago, in the week surrounding Halloween, the sun sent us some tricks and treats of its own. The tricks were a series of some of the most powerful solar storms ever measured. Storms that disrupted power grids, communication lines, and satellites. But the treats were some extraordinary auroras, seen as far south as Florida and Texas.
Aurora that were created in the night sky. The aurora are normally limited to higher latitudes, and so these storms were so powerful that they created aurora that could be seen as far south as Florida. So you can imagine seeing these ghostly figures haunting the night sky.
In all, nearly 17 major flares erupted on the sun during those 2 weeks in 2003. The result of energy building up in the sun's magnetic field lines until they became strained enough to suddenly snap like an overstretched rubber band. The results were coronal mass ejections, the largest explosions in the solar system, able to launch up to 10 billion tons of electrified gas into space and cause some of the ghoulish effects we felt here on Earth. These storms were also eerie because they came at such a surprising time. So can we expect to see any ghostly-looking auroras in the night sky?
There are very little active regions on the sun. However, we are going to be ascending to a greater period of solar activity. So, we may see some large storms in the next few years.
Still think the sun isn't so scary? Hopefully this spooky tale will make you think again.